in a life, I did kind, we be kind ako YouTube now, Oko YouTuber, Nhyira TV, YouTube, Ubenya Quenya, Asha Nhyira Power Sport, Jumedia Nano Pay, Yakonko phone close now, the stories, I'm a telephone in a show so, and the Okano like can share now, Fay, Wedja comment, our share, Asiana, Yakam, Yanasa, Yadon, some other telephone in a show so, and watch Mammy Fantu and himself, Omote TV to go down so, Mammy Fantu and himself, Nhyira TV also, and the Opeso Jumedia in the life, and also Ubenya Quenya, Nhyira Power Sports, Nabibia. Kama edi amount na mame fantuma ni se Andra Friday uko Italia yenya Serie A games a ebaso na de tense team from se Hellas Verona womo tena fie e Stadio Mark Antonio Bettincodi womo lusu 1-0 edema away side je from se Sassuolo na Andra Penamonti ene shed only goal edema Sassuolo a separate two sides na ena no payere wonsem ematio fo nyina e show no so na eno wachi mame fantuma ni se ene Saturday your matches a ebaso e Serie A num na ene bo 1 o'clock pm e 2 games ene baso na de tense okwa Estadio Olimpico e Roma je wo team ye from se SS Lazio wom atnafie omone Torino enebo eno wachi Parma team ebetenafie e Estadio Inio Tardini wom bo Lecce na fe ebo 4 o'clock pm e San Siro de Nerazzurri of Inter Milan e fie omone Cremonense enebo eno wachi mekam se Atalanta e Jewish Stadium e Bergamo e 6:45 pm wom bo team ye from se Como Nyankopon ya duma ochina Sunday early kickoff e 10:30 am anopa na Udinese Calcio e Estadio Froli wom ane Cagliari enebo eno wachi ochina ebo 1 o'clock pm Bologna e betena fie Stadio Renato da Ara wom ane Pisa enebo eno wachi Fiorentina e Estadio Artame Franchi wom bo team from se AS Roma na fe defending champions the Patanopis of Napoli wom atena fie e Diego Armando Maradona Stadium watching 4 o'clock pm wom ane team from se Genoa ebebo na fe 6:45 pm big game e baso na we e derby di Italia Juventus omutenafie e Allianz Stadium e Turin wom any team from say AC Milan enable na already many can catch say a big game Daniele Cifi e center referee afa Paolo Silvio Mazzolini e video assistant referee na fe assistant referee akọ edema Daniele Patena it way a match officials nyame aduma watching derby di Italia game ever so between Juventus and afa AC Milan wom akọ enano pay no yere won some ematio fonya e show no so na mame fantuma nim say after match week 5 e was Serie A no no the Rossoneri of AC Milan wom ene di kan omo 12 points and watch the Patanopis of Napoli wom tosu no omo 12 points you the Giallorossi of AS Roma wom tosu mensa omo 12 points after the Bianconeri of Juventus wom tosu 9 omo 11 points and after the Nerazzurri of Inter Milan wom tosu enuma omo so 9 points na the tense Capo Cannonieri top scorer e Italy na uko Serie A no AC Milan woma brantina fan Christian Pulisic one and the kan washa 4 goals and watch Marcus Thuram afa Nico Pass Calvin De Bruyne and Riccardo Orsolini women na asha 3 goals apiece afa Andre Penamonti Charles De Catalari Dusan Vlahovic and afa Federico Bacirotto women na asha 2 goals apiece and on opinion the update ematio fonya e show no so na free Italy na yanto so e France na mame front to say Andra Gamer e ba so e French Ligue no e team from say Paris FC Andra omotenafie e 2 Emma Lorraine omantimante na Algeria omabrantina fe no Ilan Kebal wono oni abrantia fe no say Gian Felipe Grosso wom ene share 2 goals enema team she from say Paris FC Lorraine wom entimante na ene Saturday about 3 o'clock pm met ebetenafie El Stade Saint-Symphorien wom ene Olympique Marseille enebo and watch mame fanto onim say wokwa Stade Francis Lebela about 5 o'clock pm team from say Stade Bressois etenafie wom ene Nantes ebo na fe oze atenafie El Stade Abbé Deschamps 7:05 pm omoni tima je from say Lens enebo Nyankopon ya duma watchina Sunday about 1 o'clock pm Olympique Lyon wom atenafie omoni Toulouse enebo and watch ochina about 3:15 pm your 3 games are eba so El French Ligue na Le Havre ebetenafie El Stade Ocean wom ene Rennes enebo and watch Monaco El Stade Louis Day wom bo team from say OGC Nice na fe Strasbourg atenafie El Stade La Manille na omoni Angers game abaso and watch me come so ochina about 6:45 pm Lee El Stade Pierre Moroy womo bo Paris Saint-Germain na PSG team no omo ene di kan El French Ligue table no so na PSG 15 points and watch Olympique Lyon atosumi no wom 15 points your Olympique Marseille omo tosumiensa wom 12 points Monaco atosuna omo 12 and of Strasbourg team no atosunuma wom so 12 points na the tense Mia Bate top scorer Watara France na oko French ni Ghana Mame Fantu when him say Abrantia first Elan Kebal one any kind was 4 goals and what you Ayegan Tosin after Bradley Bacola Esteban Lapo you Abrantia first Frank Magri Juan Neves after Pablo Pages Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang Ansu Fati Joaquin Panichili and Roman Del Castellero woman you asha 3 goals apiece and I'm no penny the one sempina Edima Telefona El Show no live on Nhyira 104.5 FM after Yensan and from England now mami front one is a Premier League matches a weekend way Everton a match week 7 now the tense Andra El Vitality Stadium yenya team from the bottom of Elfie woman shamiansa Emma Fulham team no woman take Kanu Bako na Andra bottom of game about Elfie no a brand first run Sessignon one and a chef first go Edma team from the Fulham eti Andra bottom of from a go down Ghana nia brand tenefen Anton Semenyo ebenya equalizer Edma bottom of and when Justin Clivert at the second goal so ansana yebe game no 90 plus 6 minutes and Anton Semenyo at the ice about 2 cake so at my team je from se Bournemouth enti another Bournemouth Elfie from a go down woman when 3-1 at the tier Fulham na Bournemouth game under a bass no and some people asi esan say manager na friend Andoni Ariola one say obi ebonidi na manager when me chumba ba me kai pa sama no time je be a transfer window no yenya key players e Bournemouth woman nyina akoi na Abrante fan say Elias Zabanye womuton Edema Paris Saint-Germain and what Dango Watara Echo Brentford womuton Dian Hoysen Edema Tima je from Real Madrid and of Milos Kekich one also Echo Liverpool ni nyina mu unise so far 7 games at Tima you from the bottom of Abo Ewo Premier League no one and that second one 14 points now yesi we had the best ever start Edema Bournemouth in the history of the Premier League just manager oya jumapa now you game Justin Clivert Andra when I share second goal Edema Tima je from the Bournemouth now obo manager friend Andoni Ariola baso now according to Justin Clivert was a manager no and a driver esan say woman team I say bus now bus no omo team no omo driver Andoni Ariola now o chicken at the crazy route so now just economy announcement ekwani ye ni mo manager no amazing driver eti odo mo nam so eno Abrante first Justin Clivert and at this handsome atuja now wada Roma wo de ma Ghana ni Abrante na fan Anton Semenyo esan say Andra El Vitality Stadium Semenyo edi agine di pa na unim say this season 7 games Abrante fan say Antoine Semenyo abo e Premier League no was 6 goals where 3 assists na just a 9 goal contribution in 7 games e Premier League no Edema Ghana ni Abrante na fan Antoine Semenyo na de me say can say since April pim October ya make say no who per player was more goals e Premier League no Antoine Semenyo was 10 goals Ellen Haaland etosumienu was 9 goals and after Gerard Bowen one also asha 9 goals na yewie game Antoine Semenyo ekasai was say adina esi anonumre no one odakura adwum say one tiase na ogidi e pan say a good thing Edema Tima je from say Bournemouth na omani ajepa say omanda second ye ko FIFA international break a big achievement Edema Tima you from say Bournemouth we Ghana ni Abrante na fan Antoine Semenyo.
Well, evening. I'm so tired right now. I can't even explain what's going on or the feelings. But second, next international break. So I mean, it's an achievement for us. We just need to keep going on.
I know you said you can't even talk, but you are going to need to explain that goal to me. A lovely individual goal. What were you thinking when you got the ball? Talk me through it.
Thinking just beat the fullback, get down the byline, maybe cross it. But all the options were blocked, so it's just like looking at the keeper's legs, and execution was right. So yeah, great finish.
Listen, 2 goals today, an assist. It's now 6 goals in the opening 7.
Okay, we Ghana ni Abrante na fan Antoine Semenyo after Sandra we bought 2 goals El Vitality Stadium Emma Tima ja from se Bournemouth from a go down one me na 3-1 edit of Fulham and out Ghana ja Abrante na kase o kase na no pay no ya the update Emma for you na El show no so na next Saturday your Premier League games are eba so na early kickoff 11:30 am anopay the tense Leeds United Everton fie El Elland Road one and Tottenham Hotspurs and ebo and what you about 2 o'clock pm Arsenal El Emirates Stadium Wamubo West Ham United now for Manchester United at Old Trafford now Omane Sandal game abaso and what the tense and about 4:30 p.m. our Stamford Bridge big game abaso now Chelsea Elfie Wom and Liverpool and ebo side game no members name Arsenal Elfie Omane West Ham United and ebo we Mikel Arteta manager Edema Arsenal ahead of the game Omane West Ham United ebo Arsenal manager no ekasai.
That's what we want, to continue to play and flow and dominate games in the manner that we are doing, and this is going to be a key fixture. Obviously, we learned in the last 2 seasons as well, because we had 2 defeats against them here, and it's someone that we need to put right, and tomorrow is another opportunity to do that. Well, and that's actually the difficulty of that, and the game that we're going to have to play tomorrow as well, and with a new manager, and we know Nuno really well and the way he sets his.
Okay, the Gunners Arsenal, manager fans Mikel Arteta, and our Tenekana Arteta say game winner a key fixture. And my team from say Arsenal. Now was it for the past best 2 seasons in the team, you from say West Ham United, Emodin Bono, a kama almost this season, and a normal answer and fancy. Yami have to my game at Ebersono. We will try as much as possible. Say Arsenal, every team maximum points, and no air, opening a fence Mikel Arteta, and at the San Seven Atuja. Now Chelsea game at Ebersono, Yami second, and it's here referee fence Anthony Taylor. Hey, what anybody say game Anthony Taylor there? The record against Chelsea yet kind. Now my to himself video assistant referee, Craig Paulson, and of assistant video assistant referee, Eko Adama Andred Holmes, and way a match officials. Nyami atuma and 4:30 p.m. Stamford Bridge. Womo Eko di Chelsea and of Liverpool gamer. Ebaswa enano penny wonsem. Emma Tiafoina show so. Na Yankupon atuma watching Sunday about 1:00 p.m. 3 games. And Ebasu Premier League na Aston Villa Everton Villa Park wom any Burnley and Ebo and watch Everton Hill Dixon Stadium wom about Crystal Palace and watch Newcastle United Everton St James's Park wom any Nottingham Forest and Ebo now for Wolverhampton Wanderers Millennium Stadium wom any Brighton and Hove Albion game Abaso and watch 3:30 p.m. Brentford G Tech Community Stadium wom any the Sky Blues of Manchester City and Ebo na Joseph Pep Guardiola a manager Edma the Sky Blues of Man City manager Nakasa one Brentford and Apple Yentie Man City manager Jefferson Pep Guardiola.
No, quite similar, little details, but quite similar with Thomas Frank, and I did really well, so it's a tough place to go. Brentford all have been, but in the same time, yeah, looking forward for the last game before international break. Do what you have to do.
What evening? I'm so.
Okay, way a Man City manager first Pep Guardiola and our tenant Kano. Now Guardiola say for to be and say or Brentford team na. E wo say manager first Thomas Frank eja hoko Tottenham Hotspur. Nimom Kurt Andrews ebayeno. And no ma enchance sign into a difficult game. And my team from say Manchester City and no Joseph Pep Guardiola and the San Seven Atuja. Now still a team from say Liverpool. Wom the kind Premier League table so. Now Liverpool team 15 points and watch bottom of Etosumieno wom 14 points. Your team from say Arsenal, Woma Tosumiensa, Omo 13 points. After Crystal Palace, Etosunai, Woma 12 points, Tottenham Hotspur, Woma Tosum, Omo 11. Now, Osha Chelsea, Woma the 8th position, Woma 8 points, and after Man City team, Woma that 7th position, almost 10 points. Now, top scorers, Premier League, Ellen Haaland, and Edikan, watch 8 goals, and watch Antoine Semenyo, Asher 6 goals, your Jaden Anthony, 4 goals, I got Thiago, one also Asher 4 goals, Hugo Ekitike, Ismail Assar, Gerard Bowen, Richarlison, and Wilson Isidore. Women in Asher 3 goals apiece, and I'm a payer one Sempina, Emma Tiafoina El Shodoso. After quickly, young free England, now young Tosu El Spain. Now Okola League Canama, the Sandra, young team from Osasuna, woman Tinafi El Estadio El Sada El Pamplona, woman we need 2-1 Editia Tefe. Now Andra a Brantia Fensa Boja Mayora, one of the Cassia first go Edma Tima, Je from Getefe, and watch a Brantia Fensa Eber Bretons, Ebenya equalizer Edma Osasuna, and Sana Alejandro Catina, Ebenya match winner, Edema team from Osasuna, Etiano Osasuna team at Tenefi, woman we need 2-1 Editia Getefe. Now and watching the Tense and Saturday, about 12:00 p.m. You were newly promoted side, Je from Real Oviedo, woman at Tenefi, Omon Levante and Ebo, and watch about 2:15 p.m. Girona Ebetenefi was Stadio Municipal de Montelevi, woman about Valencia, after Athletic Club de Bilbao, El Samames Barria, woman any Mallorca and Ebo 4:30 p.m. Now for about 7:00 p.m. El Santiago Benabawa, Real Madrid team at Tenefi. Now I'm on a Villarreal game in Abaso, Nyankupoya Duma watching Sunday, 12:00 p.m. Deportivo Alaves, woman Tenefi was Stadio Mendizorosa, woman about Elche, and watch Sevilla team about Tenefi, El Estadio Ramos Sanchez Pejuan, watching at 2:15 p.m. Woman any FC Barcelona Ebebo, now for Espanyol at Tenefi was Stadio Cornella de Llobregat. Now I'm on a Red Betis game in Abaso, 4:30 p.m. and what you Real Suicidad Real Arena San Sebastian woman team from Rayo Vallecano and also 4:30 p.m. now for Ochina number 7 o'clock p.m. Santa de Vigo at Nafi Abanca de Barados woman team from team from Atletico Madrid now a Barca team in a decline. La Liga table so now after match week 7 Barca 19 points and what you Real Madrid atosumieno 18 points your Villarreal omotosumiensa almost 16 after Elche tosuna almost 13 Atletico Madrid atosuna and I say enum rather almost 12 and after team from Real Betis atosu insia woman so 12 points now the team say Pichichi top scorer Italy and I say Spain rather. Now, Mami Fantuman say, Okola Liga Numa, Kylian Mbappe, hey, Kylian Mbappe as 8 goals, and what Julian Alvarez was 6 goals, Eta Young as 4, Ferran Torres, after Ivan Romero, Robert Lewandowski, Boja Iglesias, and Vadat Murugi, woman swinging as 4 goals a pizza, and on a Payare Sempina Emma Tifoina El Shonoso. Now, after young matches in El Germany, now the Tensa Oko German Bundesliga Numa, and your team from Hoffenheim, woman to Elus 1-0 Edma away side from the FC Cologne na enwachi and Saturday the ten say about 1:30 p.m. Show 4 games are ever so German Bundesliga na Augsburg ever tinafie WWK Arena wom any Wolfsburg enable enwachi buy all for Leverkusen at tinafie Bay Arena Omubo Junior Berlin Borussia Dortmund Signal Iduna Park wom any RB Leipzig enable after Werder Bremen Western Stadion wom team from St. Pauli about 4:30 p.m. Eintracht Frankfurt wom our Dutch Bank Park, one any Bayern Munich, Ebabo, Yankopon Yaduma, watching Sunday, about 1 o'clock p.m. Stuttgart, MHP Arena, one any FC Hedham, Ebo, after 3:30 p.m. Ochina, Hamburger SV, Ebertnefi, one any Mainz 05 Enable, now for Borussia Mönchengladbach, Atnefi, Borussia Park, now on a Friday game Abaso, 5:30 p.m. Ochina, and a Sun game Abaso, now I Bayern Munich team and a Dika, German Bundesliga table, so now Bayern 15 points, and what your team from Borussia Dortmund, 13 points. RB Leipzig, Atosumian, 12. FC Cologne, 10. Omotosunai, and watch Eintracht Frankfurt Tosunum, 9 points. And for Stuttgart, Atosu Isia, almost 9 points. Now, my man Fantuman himself, top scoring chart. Germany, Brantia France, Hurricane, and Edikai. Now, the Tense Hurricane, about 5 games, was 10 goals. And watch Kan Uzan, 5. And watch your Brantia France, Fraznek Aslani, after Ellis Ansa, Seru Gurasi, women are 4 goals. Andres Homtoj, after Yakubu Kaminski, Luis Diaz, and after Michael Olise, women swinging Asher 3 goals a piece, and on a penny, I say Pina Emma Tifoina El Show, so live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. After your free matches, not young Tosso, not young fast stories, Emma Tifoina El Show, so not young Manchester City, as I say, Andra and a city for officially. Woman the buy say, on my brand in a friend Savio, on my standing by in the contract, Edemano, now until June 2031, and a Man City contract extension, Edema Brantia. Your friend said Savio. Now, Andra, after say Savio has signed the contract, no, Wakasabe Bread, Yedikai, Savio said, Nania Jepasa was signing the contract, Edema Tima, you're from Manchester City. Now, Ojidia Passe or the Susa, it was a improve Nemum, while Reshemu, manager for Pep Guardiola. One in the staff when they say, Ometimi, Abra Amono Abrantia, friend says Savio, what develop as a player. It Ojidia Passe contract extension, why Edema Tima, you're from Manchester City, no, Quine Suano, and no, Brantia versus Savio, and what you Hugo Vienna, where sporting director at Manchester City, one also Akasai. Now, Hugo Vienna say Brantia versus Savio was superb natural ability. Now, we're incredible player day in, day out. Uba Manchester City 20 grounds are born episode improving. Adeba Koneniaje, a pan say Brantia or Brennan Wasi, a Chelsea Obetina Sunyadi. Now, Uba Eliasia Ope, best attacking players, I say, Womoba Gamma Ultimi Kanawini, Brantia versus Savio Infinity, Women's Man City, Omania Japa, Sir Brantia versus Savio Atias. Now I stand in a contract, Edema Tima, you're from Manchester City. Now already medical catches Yamia Tuma and about 4:30 p.m. a big game ever was Stamford Bridge. Now the team say Liverpool, Womukwa, Chelsea enable. Now Liverpool manager, where Pania friend say Anslot. Now Anslot Akasa, Yentiano, one Chelsea enable. Say, and a man and I say team from Liverpool, woman manager, Ekaye.
The reaction is after you lose against Palace, you lose another game. You can argue if that is positive, but I saw a team that wanted to try from the first to the last second everything to get a result. Different than to the Palace game, we won much more second balls. We were, like in the Palace game, close to a result. But again, that has nothing to do with the current results. We need to do better, and that's why we are what we are.
Okay, we Liverpool manager fans Anslot and our tenant cano. Now Anslot say a number bebre esi omu game against him. Je from say Crystal Palace and Noma Anshiran Koye said in Liverpool Omoshe. Nemu Yami Altuma and a game I basso against Chelsea no. Gomo peso we improve Celebia Yami Altuma. Gomba winning game at Chelsea and all Anslot Liverpool manager and at the San Sem Atuja. Now over Kia Mikapa I'm say best 1 week a 2 weeks in here and a Gabi Turam about story at the mount say just say UEFA for air contemplati say omubeyi omanya from say Israel edo ma free bom e was Europe na when I buy enoma bebre enso enamase buy na me kai pa time omanya from say Russia omukwa invade Ukraine no jebenya UEFA and of FIFA womenyina ekabom Russia man edo mu free bom na when there yes United States of America woma jejinem pampe say enya dia womete ase amayi Israel for Ephraim na Andra Gianni Infantino wono and FIFA president Penina Kasabe Kasai say Yanfantu Obianim say enyo FIFA wom anaba solve geopolitical issues na echese omuntiase amiyi Israel and for free international football mu eti omotamachi pampe na ewiase ne de say woda soro na obompaya e wo say wobompaya say obi be tawachi pampe say the United States of America etai woman from say Israel for na chi na de me say kan say sana FIFA for e kan dia ene say UEFA for Alexander Safrin woman chi die pa say omo ano say woman say FIFA for ase it is a son of FIFA for e kan dia ansha woman so ebe twa san woman yan fa ban ema woman from say Israel na no pay no jere won sam ema tie for ina el show no so na Pep Guardiola manager edema tima you from say Man City na Andra Guardiola on Israel and Palestine and sensem ya ono so ekasai na ene 4th October you say we ko spina ene demonstration ekoso na demonstration ekoso e street Barcelona no ni nyina ne say you say omo gidie pa say e wo say omo kikabom na omo support omanya je from say Palestine say enoma ekoso e Gaza ene ne papreso no enoma enshira enkoye enti Pep Guardiola ene ne message e de ma supporters ene womechi street Barcelona say women koso no monye sade say de bia ade afa say genocide o men den no na bibia kama e de ma ewiase enafe asumdwe so aye kama eno e Pep Guardiola ene de sansam no tuja ena no payere won say pina ematifo nya e show no so na yenko bansa yi esan say me kai pa bansa stories eba ne kan won say bebre na mamelami yamal esan say andra bansa for the medical report eba say o mabrant na fa say lami yamal wakokopra na epra no ene ya hwehwe ma na is na player de enim say upra ida say e joint ana say wokase ne so baabi wotai ene bia bepra na statement abansa adeba ne say lami yamal akonya discomfort e won pubic area na chese ekona yaswo baabi ne ho ena boy na kopra ni say pro we de opa akoraketwa woso ni mpanifo bedidi wo bedidi awie essence wa horo nsa kama wodidi awie ne mom mpanifo no be sore akọ na akorada so temu numusuo essence mo koni hihyew enti mo koni bia asase esisi awrante efense lami yama na according to bansa for no mo say say plan na say yale ne order da ni mo obo game against team from say Paris Saint-Germain wie no e na yale ne esaki kan ho into 2 to 3 weeks abrantia je fese lami yama etimi mobo en from a team je from say FC Barcelona say ekoba ne sadia na say me ka say your 6 senior players e bansa wo mu nyina epra ba ko e abrantia fese Fermin Lopez afa lami yamal yo Hafiam anuachi goalkeeper na fan Mark Andre ter Stegen afa Pablo Gavi and of a goalkeeper Juan Garcia omunyina pra womu team mobile informa team je from say FC Barcelona na mame from tumo say Deco sporting director and my team you from say Barca na uko RFEF Royal Football Federation de me say kan say omo technical director e opinion from say Aito Karanka na enkomodie akoso between Deco and Aito Karanka ni nyina ne say you say Aito Karanka GDA pa say womu medical team omo REF ana say RFEF omo technical role no e ho ɛna ɔmbɛtumi ahwɛ abrante a yɛfrɛ sɛ Lami Yama ama ne ho atɔ no enti ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmogye Lami Yama ahwɛ no ne mmom Dako ɛgyidie pa sɛ Bansa doctor no wɔbɛtumi ayɛ adwuma Dr. Pruna wɔno ɛna bɛtumi ayɛ adwuma no enti yɛmeme sɛ ka sɛ ɔmɔdi ka di nkɔmmɔ a ɔfon so ansa kora na email messages ɛkɔ na yɛmeme sɛ ka sɛ ɔmugu so ɔmo negotiate ɛsiane sɛ Dako gyidie pa sɛ abrante fɛ sɛ Lami Yama no wɔyɛ Bansa player ne mmom ɛwɔ sɛ office Spain enti na ɔbɔ Edema Spain ɔmo national team ne mmom ɛyɛ Bansa ɛna tua ne kanti ɛwɔ sɛ Bansa doctor ɛna hwɛ abrante a yɛfrɛ ne sɛ alabrante fɛ sɛ Lami Yama ɛna no pɛi no yɛre wo nsɛm ɛmatiefo nya ɛwɔ show no so ɛno akyi Robert Lewandowski Bansafoɔ no ɛpɛ sɛ ɔmo extend ne contract ɛde no na mekae pa ɛm sɛ bɛyɛ sɛ 1 month ago ɛna mebɛyɛ story ɛde ma sɛ abrante fɛ sɛ Robert Lewandowski Bansafoɔ no gyidie pa sɛ boy ne wanyini wɔ 37 years enti ɔmo timi ma no 2 years contract ɛntoa so ne mmom deɛ ɔmbɛyɛ ne sɛ ɔma ne 1 year na ne mmɔ ne bɔso ania no ma extend another 1 year ɛde aka ne ho na yɛse nkɔmmɔdie akɔ so ɛsiane sɛ Bansafoɔ gyidie pa sɛ abrante fɛ sɛ Robert Lewandowski ne mmɔ de bɔso ani nti wɔn pɛ sɛ ɔmo extend ne contract ɛde ma no enti nkɔmmɔdie ne yɛse ɛyɛ beginning crime sɛ afei ɛna ahyɛ aseɛ nyame yɛ atoma ɔmo sɛ yɛduru bɛɛ sɛ general ɛhɔ ɛna nkɔmmɔdie proper ɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ na ɔmo ahwɛ sɛ abrante fɛ sɛ Robert Lewandowski wɔbɛtumi extend ne contract ɛde ma team a yɛfrɛ mo sɛ FC Barcelona na nyame yɛ atoma 2026 ɛna wɔkɔ Barca deɛ meme sɛ ka sɛ presidential election ɛba so na Juan Laporta ɛgyidie pa sɛ adwuma a wɔyɛ ɛde ma Barca no wɔbɛtumi asa atoa so na mmom adeɛ baako a ɛda Juan Laporta na kuma mu pa ne sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ abrante fɛ sɛ Robert Lewandowski wɔn mu replace no na ɛyɛ striker bɛyi ɛna in the next best 5 to 6 ɛkɔ bɛyɛ sɛ 7 years wɔbɛtumi replace abrante a yɛfrɛ ne sɛ Robert Lewandowski na Barcafoɔ no ɛde strikers makoma sɛ 8 ɛde aguo sɛ ɔmo bɛyi baako na wɔn replace abrante fɛ sɛ Robert Lewandowski dedi kan Ellen Haaland ɛno akyi Julian Alvarez wɔn mu wɔ Harry Kane Lautaro Martinez Dusan Vlahovic Seru Gorasi ɛno akyi Moise Kean ɛna Benjamin Sesko na Benjamin Sesko ne deɛ nti amesere ɛne sɛ tema wɔ RB Leipzig ɛba sɛ Barca ɛpɛ no ɛma yɛso kɔ Manchester United kora Dako ɛhyene paa ɛsɛ sɛ striker na ɛda na koma so a wɔpɛ sɛ ɔde ma Barca ɛna kɔ Manchester United no enti Benjamin Sesko wɔn nso wɔka list of strikers a Barcafoɔ no wɔn gyidie pa sɛ ɔmo nyana bibia bɛyɛ kama ɛde ama ɔmo na UEFA Super League woteɛ ɛwɔ intro no mu sɛ Richardo ɛka ho asɛm na yɛse bɛ sɛ 8 months nie ɔn sɛ mekae pa UEFA Super League ɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛ ɛbobɔ ba no yɛbɛnya clubs bi ɛte sɛ FC Barcelona ɛno akyi Real Madrid ɛna afɛ Juventus ɛyɛ ɔmo ɛna ɛka ɔmo ho bɔm sɛ ɛnoma UEFA foɔ ɛyɛ no ɛmfa sika ɛma UEFA Champions League menti wɔn pɛ sɛ ɔmo te UEFA Super League na mmom ɔmo bɔ gui ɛma ɛkɔ to sɛnsɛm ɛbɛm na yɛse bɛ sɛ 8 months nie nkɔmmɔdie akɔ so na ɛna nɔpɛ deɛ me nsɛ ka ɛne sɛ yɛse UEFA Super League foɔ no wɔn ɛde ɔmo final offer ɛde akɔma UEFA na UEFA ɔmo final offer ɔmo de kɔma ɔmo no wɔn sɛ yɛmfa to obiara sɛ new format ɛde ma UEFA Champions League no nyame yɛ atoma ɛfiri 2027 ɛkɔ no ɛnka ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmo de ɔmo toma ɛbɛbɔ ɔmo dia no na ɔmo kyɛnyi nneɛma mu na sɛ ɛkɔba saa deɛ a ɛkyɛ sɛ nyame yɛ atoma ɛfiri 2027 ɛkɔ no UEFA Champions League ɔsɛ say 36 teams ɛnɛbɔ na ɔmo sɛ ɔmbɛkyɛm into 2 groups na ɛkɔɛ saa deɛ na yɛsɛ 18 na 18 yɛsɛ mo American qualify for 1 to 18 yɛmbɛbɔ high level games na kyɛsɛ yɛbɛkyɛm aguso no mabɔ ɛno akyi from 19 to 36 ɛno nso mobɛbɔ mu deɛ separate ne mmom mbɛbɔ no sɛdeɛ ɛdi ka hyɛ aseɛ ne yɛbɔ no na kyɛsɛ ɛne in table form ɛno ɛyɛ nsakraeɛ ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmode ba na ɔmo sɛ yɛmfa to obiam sɛ UEFA Champions League ɛno a ɛna ɔmode bɛto so na wei no wɔmbɛ streaming ne live ɛwɔ media platforms na ɔmode advert ɛde atoto so nti ɛno ɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ a UEFA foɔ no wɔn ɛne UEFA Super League sɛ biribi akɔ yɛ a ɛbɛtumi ababɔ mu ɛna no pɛyɛre wo nsɛm ɛma tiefo nyina ɛwɔ show no sena Richardo deɛ ten sɛ Chelsea foɔ no ani abere bruta wonim sɛ for the first time this season andra Chelsea ɛkɔ training wɔ Stamford Bridge ahead of nyame aduma ɛne game against team a yɛfom sɛ Liverpool nti woba nhyira once and I say over 104.5 FM. Now we take you now about YouTube Nhyira TV and I say multi TV decoder so Nhyira TV a je wo hwe Andra Chelsea training na eba so na enyansa mketo akwa Enzo Maresca kasa wo de entie no Chelsea manager on say ekubi san say epra Chelsea pa na manager no say Jean Fantu obi anim say sa club worker final omokoy omone Paris Saint-Germain no em say ehun sunsan so na Chelsea omone Paris Saint-Germain enye na say wo best 5 players a obo nyina epra ha adwene ye pa ne mo manager no say Chelsea to former Enko Kamano. What in a red card. Yentie Chelsea manager. Your friend said Enzo Maresca.
I think we start very, very well in terms of results and performance. The first 4 or 5 games, and then probably the rest of the game. We didn't get the points that we want for sure, but we already analyzed the reason why. Again,
Okay, the Blues of Chelsea manager fence Enzo Maresca and our tenant Kana Oko Atletico Madrid the month of September player and I say player of the month of September Ako Edema Julian Alvarez. Now no doubt Alvarez haya Jumaye Pancho deserve say Atletico Madrid for Emani player of the month of September. Now Ruben Amorim one see a manager Edema Manchester United. Now manager na kasabebre manager on say under the press conference Barcelona. What shall say was say Jumana Wabaji or Manchester United no empanifon e woni mu GDA panti no mo de adwuma no ma no enti de be sibia no ne Manchester United e na ye adwuma no na obewie kura no e no ka se enoma ekoso se de ekoidia eni e bi obetima contemplate se adwuma no kura no one shot what beto wo de Manchester United one manager fan se Ruben Amorim.
It's a job. Of course, it's a dream to be here, and I want to continue here, and I want to fight for this. But the problem is now what makes me suffer is to lose games, is not to lose my job. So that is you fear to lose your job when you have to pay the bills, and I don't have that feeling. I just want to continue this. But when we don't win games, that is the suffering that I have. It's not the fear of losing the job. I don't care. I'm telling you, when we finish the game.
Okay, Amorim na tene kase wonu wonsuro say United for be pound nti Richard Matoji mo ankasa se be pam no se mo pam no e wo ankasa mo nemu Antonio atoto bi ampa Antonio si wono Manchester United tam obekọ no otimba training grounds obi amfa na nya hwe nchia kra mo nchia no eno hu se United eno man koye kura say resource enenya e just
so mo na nchia no
o say staff members ne o players ni bi kura kan
yes
o say mo nchia mo disrespect no
I see.
Now I say any fluke say oko Rebetis ni money boss any. And any fluke say 2022 World Cup no. Brazil den koy. And any fluke say Carlo Ancelotti. Atone safre no.
Nti onimbo ne bo.
Onimbo.
Ye hu use.
Osimo hu use.
I see. There's all confirm say sa toxic environment na na e kan.
Na player background o chia kra.
Oba training na. But why not specific? Also, what you money so?
Was what you more disrespect no.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's Andy.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good morning, club.
Okay, Andy. Yeah, that's it. Insurance of 4.5.